Hi, welcome to demo lesson. In this demo lesson, we will know how to develop speaking skills. In order to develop speaking skills, first of all, what we need is listen good language. We should listen to the people or the source which produces a good language. Secondly, use good tools. Whatever source you have chosen for you, second thing you need to know is that you use right kind of tools. Third one is use select good source. So good source is to be selected for listening a good language. If the source is good, the language will be good, and whatever we listen, that will be now part of our memory. Now next thing is listen carefully. Whatever we listen from the source, we should listen it carefully. And when we listen it carefully, then automate your language. Next thing is we should automate our language. What does automate a language mean? Whatever we listen, we should try to process it in mind and speak it as it is. Copy its pronunciation, its sound, and learn the meaning. What does the word mean? But only in English. That means automate language. Next thing is start from basics. While learning a language, we should start from basics. When the basics are clear to us, then we can develop our language step by step. So in our education, we develop the language of the people with natural method. In this natural method, we train the subconscious mind of the students so that they automate their language and they speak directly in English and they become spontaneous speakers. Now, there are certain golden rules which we follow in natural method. Golden rules. First golden rule is listen carefully whatever is asked to you and then visualize. Visualize what is asked from you. Whatever question is asked from you, you just visualize in your mind. And the second rule is to speak is directly in English. Don't try to translate in any other language, your mother tongue or any local language. Just speak directly in English. Third thing is don't worry about mistakes. So whenever you start speaking a language for the very first time, there is possibility to make many mistakes. Don't worry about those mistakes. I am here to correct you. I'll correct you again and again, and in this way all these things will feed in your memory so that you become spontaneous with the passage of time. Next thing is our next golden rule is don't pause within your expression. First thing you have done, you have visualized, then you have produced in English. But While producing in English, don't take long pauses between your descriptions, your expressions. Next thing is, you can take a pause before your expression, before telling something, but don't take long pauses within a statement. Your next thing is, the next and most important thing is, watch the videos again and again. Before every lesson, you are assigned some videos and you have to watch those videos again and again so that they are fed in your mind. And when you automate your language and you come to our class, we discuss, you produce, after visualizing, you express language in English, whatever thoughts or whatever words come your mind. After that, we'll discuss on it. Then I'll correct you and your language will improve step by step. So in order to improve your language, book a demo lesson with me and I will explain you how we'll continue in this teaching learning process to develop your language. Thank you.